Hello. So, in this video, we're gonna learn about standard form, index form, and normal form. What is normal form? I give you one short example here to understand. If I write a number here, 495,000. So, this is called as a number in the normal form. Normal form. If I write like this, putting a decimal over here, 4.95 into 10 power, the number preceding this decimal, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 power 5. This is called as standard form or index form. Index form. Now, I'm going to teach you now how we can change from a normal to standard and standard to normal by taking example of these two questions from your textbook, 20th and 21st question. Let's deal with the first question here, 20th question. The mass of a hydrogen atom is 0.00000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 7, 21, 23 zeros there. So I write here 0.230 now, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2 zeros more here. 1, 6, 7. Let's count again now. 000 one time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these two additional zeros, then 167. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these two extra zeros, then 167. Now the point is, whenever we change, now this is normal form, right? It is normal form or the decimal form. You can say decimal notation or decimal form. So when we change it into standard form, our target is to move this decimal right after the first non-zero number. You can see in the row, starting from the first 0.0000 up till 1. 1 is the first non-zero number. So our target is to move this decimal from here, wherever it is now, from here, right after the first non-zero number, right after first non-zero number. So right after 1, we want to move this decimal right after 1. So keep it in mind, when the decimal move in this way from left to right, if the decimal move from left to right, 10 index, 10 to the power will be a negative number. Keep it in mind. In this case, decimal is moving from left to right. So this is left side, this is right side. Whenever decimal move from left to right, there is a 10 power negative. Index is negative. Whenever decimal, suppose decimal is here, it's moving from right to left. It's moving from right to left. If decimal move from right to left, you get 10 power positive index. So you need to understand this concept. This is a main clue when you change normal to standard form. See here. So whenever decimal move from left to right, 10 power negative index. Whenever decimal move from right to left, 10 power positive index. Okay, keeping this in mind, now in this case we are applying the first situation. Decimal gonna move from here to right after the one over here. So decimal is moving from left to right. 10 power should have negative index, negative exponent. So right here now, this is now 1.67. I moved out decimal from wherever it was right behind after 1. It became 1.67 into 10 power. Now how many number it has jumped? Before that I write a negative sign. Why negative sign? Because decimal is moving from left to right. Decimal is moving from left to right. I should take the negative index. What should be the number? You should count the zeros or the numbers. It's jumped from moving this position till this position. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 3, 24. So it should be 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. Is that clear? So that's the answer. So decimal jumped above 24 numbers including 0 and this one also to move right after the first non-zero number. So I write 10 power negative 24. That's the answer. The normal form is converted into standard form. I hope you understand. Let me grab the second example. In second example, he's saying the area of the surface of the earth is about 510,000,000,000. So the area of the surface of earth is 510,000,000,000 kilometer square. Express this in the standard form. So if I write a 21 question, so surface of the earth is 510 and then preceding 6 zeros 3 3. So this is the surface area of the earth, surface area of the earth in kilometer square. It has no index 10 power, so this is normal form. Now if there is no decimal, what to do? We're gonna put the decimal at the end. We can put like this. Example, if I have 4, I can write this equal to 4.0. If I have 7, I can write equal to 7.0. Likewise, if I have this number, I can put decimal at the end. Now, by rule, this decimal should write after the first non-zero number, which is 5 in this case. So move this decimal from this position to right behind first non-zero number. First non-zero number. So move this decimal from here to here. So now decimal is moving from right to left. When decimal move from right to left, what happened? Index is positive. That's it. So I write here now decimal shifted now. This is 5.1000. These zeros after decimal has no value. I can stop here. 5.1 into 10 power. How many numbers is jumped above? 3, 3, 6 to 8. So 10 power positive 8. So that's the answer. So the rule is quite simple. Decimal move from left to right. Index is negative. Decimal move from right to left. Index is positive. I hope you guys understand.